Okay, so in this case, we have three fractions and the denominators are all different. Okay, so but before we multiply each term by those three denominators, what I'm going to do is just like what I usually do when having a problem like this. I'll erase this one, I'll put it on top. This negative sign here, I'll put that on top. We don't need to do that with a positive sign, okay? But the p here, I'm gonna put that on top. All right. So there are three different denominators. So we will multiply each term by those three. So 3 times 2 times 4 times -5/3. You see that? 3 times 2 times 4 times -3/2 plus 3 times 2 times 4 times p/4. Okay? So you look at the left side, we can cancel the 3 here. 2 times 4 times -5 is equal to -40, right? 2 times 4 is 8 times -5 is -40. Now here we can cancel the 2, I think. So that's going to give us 3, 4, and -3. Of course, we will multiply those three numbers, and that will be -36, right? And then plus, we can cancel the 4 here. So 3 times 2 is 6, p. All right. So now you can see the equation is a lot simpler. The next thing that we will do here is to remove that -36 by adding the inverse of that on both sides. That's +36. This will be cancelled out. -40 plus 36 is -4 equals 6p. Right? So we subtracted 40 and 36 because they have different signs. It's negative because the higher number, 40, is negative. And then finally divided by 6 on both sides. -4/6. I believe we can simplify that. Both are divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Or -4 divided by 2 is -2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our answer here is -2/3.